All right, presentations are hard. Pitching things are hard. If you're not someone that's born with the gift of gab or a lot of charisma, or if you've never done presentations before, it can be really hard to know where to start, where you're messed up, where things might have gone wrong. So if you're looking to make an important pitch or presentation, that's what we're going to help you with today on The Grind. All right, first and the most important thing I want to say is that failure is key. Nobody is 100% good at pitches from the get-go. You're going to need to do them lots of times to get better at them, get feedback, find your voice, find your own way of presenting things. Or you may even find that you're not that good at it and that someone else is actually better at presenting things. But the important thing to do is record your presentations, review them, have fans and family review them. You can actually do this with XSplit Presenter. Just record yourself doing it. Take a look back, see what works, see what doesn't, but definitely do it as many times as possible until you're comfortable to do it in front of a potential client, buyer, whoever. All right, so we're going to use a marketing framework to write or develop this pitch or presentation. And we're going to use something known as GSOT, or goals, strategy, objective, tactics. So the goal is the overarching goal or just the end results of your brand or product or what it's trying to achieve. The strategy is the guiding principle on how you're going to achieve this goal. The objective is basically a way to measure how close you are to achieving that strategy. And the tactics is the various ways that you're going to basically get to these objectives. All right, so let's say that you're trying to pitch a fitness app that's designed for people who are busy at work and don't have the time to go out to the gym or have a gym nearby. So your goal might be to get 1 million downloads in, say, 6 months. And your strategy might be to be considered the best fitness app for people who are busy working from home or don't have access to a gym. And your objective is to be the #1 fitness app in the fitness section and to have a 4.5 rating on the App Store. And your tactics are maybe to find different KOLs or influencers to try the app and make videos talking about their experience and how the app worked for them. All right, now that you've finished writing your pitch, you want to be able to present it confidently and safely. And the best way to do this is with XSplit Presenter. So no matter if you're doing it online or offline, XSplit Presenter is the best choice. So if you're doing it online, XSplit Presenter, you can add it as Google Slides or PowerPoint. You can add the file, or you can just drop in the link. It'll load in your slides. You can add different elements, like you can add a face cam for yourself. You can do annotations on slides. And then in the video conferencing software of your choice, just add XSplit Presenter as the video camera because it's a virtual camera. And then when you're in your meeting, make sure to ask people to pin you so that your video is full screen. If you're offline, all you need to do is hook up your laptop to an external monitor, present, and you can output a full screen presentation of this. It's that easy. But I want to know from you, do you have any pitching or presenting tips? What is the hardest part about presentations, and do you prefer doing them online or offline? Let me know in the comments. Give a like if this was helpful and share as well. And be sure to subscribe for more ways to stay on the grind.